PLS201, Legal Research and Writing for Paralegals, Week 3, Miscellaneous Secondary Authorities. Secondary authorities. There are three types of secondary authorities that we will discuss at this time. One is the dictionary. Two, the form book. And three, the uniform law. Dictionaries help locate the legal meanings of words. Dictionaries also provide the proper spelling of those words and assist you in the pronunciation of unfamiliar phrases. The best known legal dictionary is known as Black's Law Dictionary. It is found in the backpack, desk of any attorney or paralegal or law school student. Form books. Form books provide information pertinent to the drafting of effective complaints, contracts, and other legal documents. Form books just are what they mean. They provide forms. Now, it is important for you to understand, as a paralegal working in a law firm or for an attorney, that those forms are also available online and may be available in a central form file in a law firm's computer database. For example, in our law firm, we have what is called the iDrive. Each attorney has a separate file or a separate system, and we are allowed to access each attorney's file or folder to look for forms, motions, orders, memorandums. So please remember that before beginning any work on any legal memoranda, motion, or opinion. Uniform laws. Uniform laws, the most well-known of all uniform laws is the UCC, or Uniform Commercial Code. It was created through the work of attorneys, judges, law professors, and other legal scholars that are appointed by governors of each state. These individuals meet in a conference to draft proposed legislation that, once adopted, becomes the primary authority in that state. The primary authority in those states that have adopted this uniform law. The only state where the UCC, or Uniform Commercial Code, is not applicable would be Louisiana, and that would be based on the fact that they do not use the common law in their court system. This concludes part 1. Welcome back to PLS201, Week 3, Part 2, Legal Research and Writing for Paralegals. Additional secondary authorities are loose leaf services and jury instructions. Loose leaf services govern a certain area of law, and those loose leaf services may provide primary authorities found in the statutes or regulations. Loose leaf services also provide secondary authorities found in commentary and discussion of proposed legislation. Jury instructions. Jury instructions communicate an accurate statement of law for a judge to give to the jury. And in most jurisdictions, they are to be prepared by the attorneys and submitted to the court. They are prepared by the attorney's paralegals. And in essence, as a paralegal, you will, in essence, create the instructions by which the jury will be empowered to follow. Legal citation format. Cite checking, or verifying a legal citation, consists of two components. Verifying that citation for accurate compliance with rules of citation by way of using the Blue Book or ALWD, and verifying that the authority cited is still good case law. Citations must appear in a standard and consistent format so that any judge, attorney, paralegal, or other reader can locate, can retrieve the authority that was cited in your legal memorandum, opinion, or motion. As mentioned earlier, the two resources that can be used to provide a proper citation are the Blue Book, which is the most commonly used guide for citing materials, or the ALWD, the Association of Legal Writing Directors. It is easier to use than the Blue Book because of its format, but please remember that the Blue Book is the standard. Updating and validating your research is paramount and can make or break your motion, opinion, or legal memoranda, as credibility is key in any case. Paralegals can update and validate, making sure the law is still good, either manually or electronically, by using Shepard's citations. That decision will be subjective. The decision will be based upon which is quicker. Primary sources such as statutes, constitutions, and administrative regulations must be Shepardized using the same process as that for the cases that have been cited. Keep in mind that when you receive a motion from opposing counsel, conduct a thorough Shepardization of the citations. Good luck.